से 9 से 12 तक करेगा, चलो 13 से 16 तक करेगा। This cylinder, we have only cylinder and cone in the cylinder. Cylinder formula right now. Cylinder curved surface area, we had CSA. CSA means curved surface or lateral surface, or LSA, lateral surface area. LSA means side by only side. Side one. Formula we have 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Then second formula we have total surface area. Total surface area will be 2 pi RH plus 2 circles are there, so let 2 pi r square. This is for a closed cylinder. If the cylinder is open, that is only one end will be there, bottom will be there, but top will be open. So we have only pi r square. 2 pi RH plus pi r square only will take. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula. R is radius. Radius are taking small r and that is small r here. Sorry, only pi r square h. Volume of cylinder formula is only pi r square h. This formula is the most important. H is the height. Pi r square is the formula of volume of cylinder. यहाँ small h and also small h. Okay. Then volume of hollow cylinder. Volume of hollow cylinder formula will be pi big R square minus small r square into h. That is hollow cylinder will have like this way. That is the formula of hollow cylinder. Okay, copy this formula 1, 2, 3, 4 formula. For a cone, write down the formula for cone. Draw the figure. This is cone. This height, this is vertical height. This height is called slant height L. Then so we have the Pythagoras theorem we can use here. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Then we have curved surface area or lateral surface. Formula will be pi r L. Pi r into small l. Total surface area formula will be pi r L plus pi r square. And the volume formula we have 1 by 3 pi r square h. These are the formula for cone. Take the formula. Formula of cylinder is here. Formula of cone is over here. Ready? Pi r square plus this base means circular base, no circular. Pi r square. ठीक है? Pi r L. This curved surface plus base. Curved surface side one plus this. Pi r L plus pi r square. Now, how to do any particular problem? Okay, the idea is, suppose if they ask you to find volume of cylinder, use the volume cylinder formula. Find the volume of cone, use the volume formula. In some question, volume may be given and one thing is unknown here. You can find that. Whatever is given, use the formula of that and make equation, find unknown. That is the whole idea about it. If this is curved surface area of cone is given, cylinder is given, so use that formula and find h or r. Any one of them will be unknown in the question. You find that, and after finding that, you check the question what they are actually asking you to find. Then you find it. Now, in some cases, no, you will have to. They will give 2, 3 figures. Maybe a cone cylinder given like this. They are asking find the volume. The volume of the 2 figures will add. Volume of this and volume of this will find separately and add them. And suppose from the cylinder we are removing a cone, like this cone we are removing. So what is the volume of the remaining solid? That we have to minus. From this whole thing a cone is removed. We will subtract. This volume of cylinder minus volume of cone will be due. Okay, now in some case, they may say that the cylinder is changing, we are changing cylinder after melting it into cone. Find the number of cones formed or find the anything of cone. At that time when you melt and make one figure, you change it to the another figure. That time you have to make their volume equal. Volume of this cylinder will be equal to the volume of the cone. You have to make the volume equal, and then one thing will be unknown on the way, and then you have to find that, and they must be asking that to find the question. That is the main idea of it. Understood the idea? Melting and recasting type question will make their volume equal. There is one figure. That is volume of 3 cone will be equal to the volume of cylinder. Suppose from a cylindrical tank we are or cylindrical pipe we are filling water in the cone. There is volume of cylinder, there is pipe, volume of water in the pipe, that is like a cylinder, is equal to volume of water in the cone. We will make equal, and we will apply the formula of volume of cylinder and volume of the cone, because water doesn't have any formula of volume, but liquid will be having the volume equal to the volume of the container. That is, the container is cylindrical shape, you have to take the volume of the cylinder. If the container is conical shape, you have to take the volume of the cone. Okay. Now the sphere they have removed from the syllabus. You don't have to do questions on sphere. They have reduced it. Only cylinder and cone as per the reduced syllabus. So I take some question. You are ready? I read the question. They are saying the volume of a circular cone is 660 centimeter cube. Volume of cone is given. Volume of cone is given 660 centimeter cube. And the diameter of its base is 12. Diameter of the base is given 12 centimeter. Radius will be 6. Question says find the height of the cone. Volume given, we use the formula of volume. Volume formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put the value of volume 660, 1 by 3, pi value you take 22 by 7. R value is 6, that's 6 into 6, and height is, we have to find the height. Question says find the height. Diameter is 12, that's a radius I have taken 6. No, diameter is 12, radius I have taken diameter 12, radius I have taken 6. Now cancel and not get the answer. 3 2s will go 22, this will go 30 times. 6 and this will go 5. 7 5s are 35 by 2 is the value of h. Therefore, h value will become 17.5 centimeters. This is the first answer. Second part of the question is asking find the slide height of the cone. Slant height is L you have to find. What is the formula of L? L square is equal to h square plus r square. I mean the Pythagoras theorem. H just now is 17.5 square. Radius is 6, so 6 square. L value will become root of this. We can calculate 6 is 36. 17.5 into 17.5. Just check what is the answer coming. Will come this much. You add. Here to go. No Wi-Fi is there. Just one. Now, is it okay now? Yes? Now you can find the root of this. Example you will find, just see what is the answer coming, that answer you will have. Okay. 336.25. No, there is a mistake. This will come 342.25. 342. 36 and 6 and 342.25. Check what is the answer coming in the calculator. You can check right now, or see the answer in the book. They will give some easy numbers. The answer will come out. What is it? This will come 18.5. Root will come 18.5 centimeter. Exactly. Yes. Okay, listen. What I do. Okay, just listen. I'll give you the question. Today I'll give you the question. You try out and see whether you are able to do or not. If you are not able to do, then you'll ask me. Okay. So you can open the exercise 28. I'll give you the number. Exercise 28. Page number, I don't know whether match or not. 371. Just turn the page.